Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you want to say bye to mommy and daddy before we
Bye.
head off? Huh?
Bye, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Dad, I didn't even. Oh my
Didn't even shower. All right. I'll see you guys. Okay.
All right.
Take care of the house. Okay.
Yep.
Peace out.
Yep.
Make sure you don't make any mess.
Uh-huh.
Clean up the dishes. All right. Take care of mama.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
All right. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very, very good day to celebrate. Today is what is it? The Labor Day? Martin Luther King? Today is a special day. I think it's a holiday, but I just want to say thank God for another beautiful day. Thank God for another beautiful just gift of life He's given us every single day, and we thank God for each and every day for our lives. And yeah, remember what we talked about earlier today, or on the last video? We said 2026 we have to be consistent, try to be more active on our YouTube channel. Perhaps we've just been busy all this time, but yeah, we got to get back on the grind and just do more videos. We're looking forward to hopefully we have some weddings this year. I'm not sure, I'm just saying, but I'd love to participate in that. But other than that, we don't have anything planned today. Today is just a day off. I have 2 days of not working, so me and mommy were just gonna go out and explore, just have a good time. And we're grateful for our kids. They're all grown now, so they're like, okay, you guys go enjoy your day off. All right, so thank you guys. Thank you, M3E. All right, so we're gonna take you guys with us, and hopefully we'll have a good time. All right, peace out, and we shall see you. All right, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. If you have not checked out our merch, M3E, that's gonna be the merch. I am representing M3E, so just for your support, if you want, it's fine. Of course, before anything else, we're gonna pray so that God will guide and just allow us to have a good time, and just protect us on our way. All right, okay, guys, it's so funny. Like here in Washington, like what do you call that kind of weather where it's not stable, where it just keeps changing on you? So like when we were pulling out from our house, it was really sunny, and just like 2 minutes into the freeway, now it's really foggy, like it's really smoky. So the plan today is just to drive around, right? It's literally just to drive around, and then my GPS on the other hand, she's really looking up some places. So she wants to go to, what's the name of that place? San Juan? Yeah. She wants to go to, I think it's called San Juan Island. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's going to be a 2-hour drive. Perhaps maybe going on to the ferry, catch the ferry to be able to get to the other side of the other side. So I don't know how it's gonna be, and look, if you guys see the thing right now, wait, I'm trying to, so if you guys see, I don't know if it will show on the camera, but it's really foggy outside. Anyway, so yes, we're gonna try to go to San Juan Island, and then hopefully we'll see how it's gonna look like. I thought it was gonna be sunny all over. This guy in the back is so close that it's really just getting on my nerves. But let's not make other people ruin our day. Let's just focus on having a great time. Oh, now it's completely different. It is smoky all over. Yeah. 1 minute it was sunny, now it's foggy. All right. Woo. Okay. Well, we'll talk later because I'm gonna stay focused on the driving because yeah, it's not really clear to drive on the freeway. Okay. 1 minute later, the sun is out again. 1 minute later, the sun is out again. Unbelievable. That's one thing I like about this place though. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's right in the middle. Right? Right in the middle. Anyway, I hope you guys are hanging in there. It's probably 2 hours into, actually no, it's probably just like maybe 23 to 25 minutes into our drive. Hopefully we'll get there on time. Stay back, go get some popcorn. Hopefully we'll have an enjoyable ride and excursion and whatnot. But yeah, let me show you the front. See, driving up to Marysville in the house. Marysville in the house.
So is this the San Juan?
You have to ask. I'm not even sure what we're doing, guys, but that's what the lady wants. Ask her.
Yes.
Good morning.
Hi.
Is this going to San Juan Island?
We go to Friday Harbor, yes.
Okay.
It's
Is
our
that
first
where
time.
you want to go?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you guys make any reservations today?
No,
Okay, no problem. How many people in that car?
it's just two of us.
2. So it's going to be $79.85, and that's round trip. So it's about,
Is it good for 1 day or 2 days?
you can come back any day, any year.
Okay,
anytime.
all right.
It's always free to come home.
All right, cool. It's our first time, so we're not really sure what we're
Nice.
doing.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Linwood, but we're just kind of like driving around and see.
Are you guys going to spend the night out there?
It's possible, but I'm not really sure. We don't know yet.
Okay, well, if you do, you should.
Okay.
There's a place called Lime Kiln Park out there, and you usually need to have a couple hours to go out there to State Park. Nothing really there, but it's beautiful, and the orcas frequent there a lot.
Okay.
So if you go out there, take a little picnic, get bundled up. Lime Kiln Park, Roach Harbor is really beautiful. North Beach or South Beach and Downriggers is a great seafood restaurant.
All right, cool. Thank you for
Have
letting
fun,
us know.
guys,
All right,
and
thank
they'll
you.
tell you where to go up ahead.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
We're just a bunch of tourists from Micronesia, and we don't know what we're doing. Should I just follow that?
All vehicles must stop.
Oh yeah. No, I
How you doing?
pretty quick. Hi.
Are we just following that?
Where are you headed? Later. Bye.
Where are we headed again?
San Juan Island? I don't know.
Friday
It
Harbor then?
probably.
That's what it says on your receipt.
Here's the. I'm
Aren't
not-
you-
I want to make sure I send you guys to the right place.
right.
Our
Right.
GPS says Lopez Island Ferry.
Lopez? Okay, so that's a different island. Where you guys?
We're,
You guys
we're
have, like-
trying to go to San Juan Island.
San Juan Island. Okay. You said Lopez Island Ferry just there. So there's Lopez Island, there's San Juan Island. You're trying to get to San Juan Island.
Yeah.
Okay, San Juan Island proper, not just the San Juan Islands. Because they're all called San Juan Islands.
Oh.
But one of them is called San Juan Island. It's kind of confusing there. But
Oh,
is there a place you guys are trying to get on the island? Maybe I know of it and I can make sure. just
No,
make
we're
sure.
just-
actually, it's our first time, so we're just kind of like driving around, and she's like, "Let's go to this place." So,
All right. Well, you paid for Friday Harbor, and Friday Harbor's the next ferry. So,
Just go straight down?
yeah. So, for Friday Harbor, San Juan Island, you'll go down lane 2.
lane 2. All right, cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks.
So where's lane 2?
Look at the numbers. Mateo.
Lane 2. All right, guys, this is what we're dealing with. See, that's what happens when you're from Micronesia and you don't know where you're headed. You don't have a plan in action. All right. So it's basically just getting lost. That's basically what it is. But it's all good. That's the name of the game right here. Oh yeah, lane 2. Alright.
Ei, porosin bay, kenai. Aure pada manila fakar bukuta. Arpuit sedang suk. Yai. Ito mo, bukan oleh lain. Jangan kita kerja bukan.
Following this, guys? Alright. I guess I'm following. Alright.
Cyclists should return to their bicycles at this time. All passengers must disembark the vessel upon arrival. Thank you for sailing aboard the Washington State Ferry. We look forward to seeing you again.
Okay, guys, after 45 minutes on the water, we're at our destination. Not sure where exactly we're at right now, but my understanding is these are all San Juan Islands. These people are waiting to hop on the ferry, I suppose. Okay. I'm just gonna follow this.
Front Street South. Then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Okay.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto Spring Street.
Siri, why don't you just relax? I don't even know where I'm going, so we're just basically following this vehicle. Alright. I'm gonna face me for a little bit because of that.
Turn left onto First Street South. Then take the first left onto Granny's Way.
Am I supposed to, where am I going? Just straight? Yeah. Or just go right?
Right.
Alright, we'll go right. We don't know where we're going. We act like we know where we're
Turn left onto West Street. Then take the first left onto 2nd Street South.
straight.
Which is full out to Bukata.
Okay. We're gonna pull out for
Turn left onto Court Street.
Wait,
Then turn left onto
wait.
2nd Street South.
Okay. We're gonna we're gonna try to find our way around here because it's crazy.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Now we're back. When I come back, I'll show you guys where I'm staying. This is the small hotel, and then the pier. Why is it so quiet? Huh? It's a deserted island. I think I'm gonna take. Hold on. I'm gonna take down the San Juan. Here we go. The Wall of China. The Wall of China. Alright. I'm not sure if the footage is exposed well, but here we are. San Juan Island. Trying to find a spot to eat because we are so hungry. Okay. Ooh. What do you want to try? This one? Huh? Oof. Why does it look like it's closed? So we noticed that this place is not too many people around right now, just because it's a holiday. So I'm guessing that's probably why they're in winter. Oh, so maybe that's why there's not a lot of people. I mean, just now, but earlier we had a whole bunch of people. Just yeah, it's weird that it's like, oh, I see, because they were all waiting for the ferry. So where's that place that we're going to? Oh, this one? Why does it look like it's closed? So again, this is where we're staying. More steps, more stairs going down. Huh? Yeah, that's their main water tank, I suppose. Coffee shop? It's closed, is it? It doesn't matter. Huh? Okay. And look, our car is secured. It's right there. So and downburgers, food fused drinks. Is that where you're going? I'm gonna just, wow, look, that's a view right there. Right. I'm gonna go inside. I think I'm gonna stop recording because I'm in a restaurant and there's music going on, so I'll just pause. This is the waiting room and more waiting room. There goes the view again. Good.
There's just a couple things that we're out of. I gotta share with you.
I don't know, but I'm hungry. Via supporter Riara Tikasari. Huh?
There are classmates.
So you just order here? Yeah, it's funny. We're already planning on ordering stuff to eat or take it to our place, but you know the way they do over here, it's like one meal in the afternoon. That's it. Like you go home, you go to bed. Us, it's like we're debating if we should ask them, like, can we order some food to go, and they'll be like, excuse me, like you guys just ate and you're taking food home. It's all good. Be proud of where you're from. Be proud of your food. All right, I can't wait to start. I'm hungry. I think I'm just gonna have this one. I think I'm gonna have since we're by the ocean. Is this ocean or lake? Since we're by the ocean, I might as well just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan.
You want anything besides water to drink?
I'll have a Coke, but later.
Okay.
Yeah. I think we're ready to. Can we order now?
What can we do?
Can I try your seafood? What is it? Seafood cop?
Yeah.
Yep.
And then I'll have the Dungeness one.
The tots?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Is that it?
Yeah, we'll order our steak if the one's
Do you want to hold them maybe?
Yeah, can we do that?
And do you want me to bring the soda with the food?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, that's mine. That's my food. And that is mommy's food. To tell you the truth, I'm not a big fan of this kind of food. I wish there was fish, sashimi, all that good stuff. Why am I eating affogatos for? I mean, it's good for the body, but not good for to enjoy. Oh well, I'm just grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you, God, for providing. All right.
Not bad.
This is what it's called, the Dungeness grab something.
I thought it was
Mommy thinks that she thought that it was a Dungeness and it's gonna be like a big whole grab, but no, just 6 pieces of finger food. Not acceptable in our book. So now the question is, what are we gonna bring to our place? It's like we don't even like this food. I mean, it's good, but it's like not the kind of food we eat. Fancy, but when it comes out, look at it. Just 1 piece of chicken, mashed potato, and more potatoes. Again, not acceptable. I wish I wish we had more fish or something like that. Okay, we're done with the dinner. I think we're gonna go out to the dock. I'm gonna turn on my light. Oh, I was gonna say. There you go. There you go. Some lights for all of us. Yeah. No, I think I should face it this way so you guys can see the background. Can you all see it? So I'm done. Mommy has to bring some leftover. Yeah. Look, that's what we're working with right now. Hopefully it's bright enough. And then we're walking out here. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Anyway, it's a calm night, guys. Calm night. Once again, we're at the Sand Island. Sand Island.
San Juan.
San Juan Island.
Not busy.
Yeah. That's the place where we just had our dinner, and this is the dock. Oh, can we go in there? Is it open? Oh. Anyway. I don't want to go in. Let's just go on that side.
What is about it?
Why?
We can go.
And then where?
Can we go in here?
Oh, I only go in if there's food. Hey, there's a clam right there. Huh? It's okay. I don't want to be in there because I might just end up, there's clamping there. I might just like, boop. Hey. Huh?
So quiet.
So quiet. Mavitwa.
Compared to Seattle.
That's the reason why we come here, so we can just like be in awe. Look at all these boats right here. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. It's cold. Well, let's see.
Yeah.
No, I just want to see if the restroom is open. Oh, no, it's not open. I was gonna say, look, their restaurant is, not restaurant, their restroom is open. Well, restaurant is kind of the same. Yeah. Right now we're going home. Yes. Right now we're going home. We have one huge problem now. Huh?
Awash for the ferry.
45 minutes on the ferry. We have one huge problem. The only bad thing about this place, I'm just gonna whisper because there's no convenience store. There is, but it's like it's only 5 o'clock and everything is already shut off. Like everything is already closed. Yeah. So right now we didn't want to, I told you at the restaurant, we didn't want to order food to go. So now we're on a hunt. We're just trying to look for food.
Charlie's Market.
Where?
That should be in Charlie's Market.
Oh.
Well, I should sit down. Till 11.
Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna go look for more food so we can bring it to our place, because we'll be hungry. For sure, we'll be hungry tonight. Yes, it's cold. Alright. I really hope it's bright enough for you guys to see, but what's that place?
That's the convenience store.
Huh? Convenience store is right here? Charlie's Market? Do they have ramen? Oh, alright. Charlie's Market. If you ever come to San Juan Island, Charlie's Market.
San Juan Island, but I think
I'm not sure if I can film, but take a pause for now.
they have Muir Museum.
Oh, alright. Good news, guys. Good news. I have ramen. Alright. Now we're in business. Now we're actually in business. So I was just talking to the cashier. He said this is pretty much just a small town. So there's really nothing much to see over here. So it's just a small getaway place for, I guess, everyone. So I'll be coming here back when I'm retiring. And 60, when I'm 60, I'm definitely coming back here to retire. I am kidding. So we're going home, or we're going to our place. Like I said, it's a small town. Mission accomplished. Oh, I need to get our drinks. Huh? Okay. Okay. Going out. Hey, not bad, man. Really not bad. Not bad for a small town. What? Not bad for a small town. Not bad for a small town.
Yucky.
Yeah. Alright, home sweet home. It's a small room. Dun. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put you guys down because I'm hungry again. Bye bye. Morning.
Are you trying to catch this ferry?
Yeah.
Anacortes?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any reservations today?
No.
No. Okay. Is 10 still open? All right. So I'll head down lane 10. It's going to be down on that side.
Okay,
of
thank
the
you.
Staging line.
All right, thank you. So number 10 is all the way? Is it?
Yeah, almost 12 is our last lane, so they're all numbered. You'll see it.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Turn right onto Granny's Way.
If you come here, there's just you have to pay a round trip ticket. Well, basically it's just a one way because going back to the main island is free. So also another thing is we just learned that you have to make reservation.
Take the Anacortes, Friday Harbor Ferry Ferry.
Thank you for letting me know. You have to make an appointment or make a reservation in order to get a first priority to hop on the ferry. But today we're lucky. We're lucky that we hop on the second. Is this the first or second trip? Second. But usually they said if it's full, they would have to wait. Very
In
nice.
about 19 miles, exit the ferry.
So yes, we're back again. Going back to the mainland. Honestly, like San Juan, that place where we just came from, it's basically really good for just vacationing. All right, now we are just ready to go back home, but only this time I think I'm gonna get off because I'm tired of staying in the car last time, and plus I'm starving. Mommy discouraged me to bring my stove. I was already in the mood of bringing all my stuff, and then she's like, "No, I don't want you to bring that stuff." So last night, no good. We were hungry, very hungry, because we only bought a few things from the convenience store, and then We ate them all. Only 2 ramen, 2 noodle soup, and now we're hungry again. All right, as soon as this thing gets settled, and as soon as we start moving, then we can probably head up on the deck and head up upstairs, and then we'll see what's going on. Anyway, just in case if you don't know, this is what it looks like on the deck or on the bottom of the ferry where all the cars are parked. These cars, they're gonna take it to Lopez. Is that what it's called? They've got the other direction, and then they're gonna then after they're gonna take the cars going to Anacortes. So we're stopping by somewhere first. Give me one. There's coffee. Yeah, just one. Do they have coffee cream? Coffee time. Thank you very much. Let's go downstairs. Okay. She always wants her clam chowder. I think I'm gonna put it right here. Nope, that's my receipt. That's my receipt. Bon appetit, guys. Chili's good. I'm starting off light because I want to eat rice. Enjoy my brunch. How come we're turning around? I think we have to head back to the car because we're not really sure how this thing works. From my understanding is when we were going in, some cars are like this and some cars are like face the other direction. I just asked
May I have your attention, please? We're now arriving at Lopez Island. All passengers for Lopez, please make your way down to the car deck level. Walk-off passengers will be departing from the car deck level ahead of the vehicle traffic. This is Lopez Island.
Lopez. Okay, so as I was saying, yeah. So the cars are like this, and some cars are facing the other direction. So what's gonna happen is once we make a stop, then Lopez, people that are getting off on Lopez, apparently that's the name of one of the islands, and then they're getting off. So they just called that Lopez. Lopez passengers getting off. Let's head out to the deck. Oh boy, this is very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, so I guess this is Lopez. Well, that's great. We have the opportunity to see this place. Ah, that's wonderful. All right. So, nilikat arvasit coach or what's up? Kasi wag grabe rin kayo iipan. Meron kami patsugusun. What's up? Lopez Island. Wow. This is nice, huh?
Lopez Island.
Wararar kiven mo. Oh, and then they get the ramp. They drop the ramp on that side.
Where?
The ramp. Pero sikat. Siya doon. Wow. Sure about Bansi Tei Kaparat to 50 last time we were on the other side. Yaw si Ryan? Huh? Kingston? Now this is Lopez. Lopez Island. Huh?
Nick, we want to go to Ferry. Nabukat Ferry but to deliver.
Oh, yep, this is the island of Lopez. How come I don't see cars coming in? I guess there's not too many. Unbelievable. Like, oh shit, there goes the cars. Bye. Oh, your car profitable passenger. Man, imagine if this is like Juke. Charat to fifth. 저랬도 돌아왔어. 와르크 페리 메체르시랴. That's nice. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 passengers coming up from Lopez. Jotte ikä jossa taure kiraa tätä video ship.
Take a slight left turn onto Ferry Terminal Road.
Yeah, wagar bus fan. Negeliye we lamin ko. Yang salaki seli atkewe dibis me wale velumen fan lengeliye we lamen ko. Smooth sailing on this highway, not too many traffic. Day before I head back to work. What a great day. Another beautiful sunny day. I was watching the news last night. They said if we continue to have good weather for these few days, it's probably going to be the same as compared to back in 1945. At least that's how they measure it or compare. Put the comparison between now and back to 1995, where they had a 12-day stretch of just good weather, good sunny days. I believe that's from what I understand. From what I understand from the news last night. See what the days is gonna lead us to today. We're not sure yet what we're gonna do, but you know for sure we're gonna do something, whether it's sightseeing or get some food, because I'm hungry again. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, we're backed up again on traffic. But here we go again with the weather. You see how it just keeps changing on you? Like first off it was sunny, you can see the sun coming out, and now it's both. The sun is out and then there's fog all over the place. And on top of that there's traffic. Nothing unusual about that one. It's pretty common. Traffic is a thing here. Traffic is a thing. Oh, look at that. See? Bam. And there goes the blue sky. There goes the blue sky. A little smoke here and there. We've been trying to get a hold of Jenna. Jenna, I don't know what you've been doing, but Auntie Lily's been trying to get a hold of you. She's been calling you so many times. She even tried Jenny's phone. Yeah, she's trying to get a hold of you. So if you want to come with us to 99 Brunch to get something to eat, Obviously, you're probably still sleeping or at school. So again, this is the second time around. We tried to get a hold of you last time. You were busy. Now you're not answering your phone, so I'm sorry. That's on you. Don't be complaining again, okay? Don't be like, why'd you guys not calling me? Because we tried. I'm liking the day now. It's very sunny, beautiful. You have no idea how bad it is when it's raining. So we're grateful for this past few days. She's passed out. That's the life, right? Enjoying sleeping while on the other hand, I'm struggling because I am doing the driving and the hard work. Right? Let's leave her alone and let her in peace. So here we are in at the entrance or the lobby. So all of these people are just like, they come in straight to where they're supposed to be going to, and me and my friend here, we're like wondering, where do we pay for the tickets? And then on top of that, it's like we're in here looking around like what is there to see in here? You're just here to watch a movie, and we're like looking around. Wow, look at that wall. Wow, look at that picture. There's really nothing to see here after so many years. Can you believe that? Anyway, so hopefully we'll have a good time in here. After 15 or more than 15 years, we're back at trying out watching a movie. So we'll see, okay? I have to make a correction. It's not actually 15 or more than 15 years. It's more than 20 years, I suppose, because I stopped going to the theater in Is this your first time again after so many years? Oh, okay. So actually, Mommy's been to the theater, I guess just recently, but me, after so many years. So I guess what I'm trying to say is,
I was sleepy.
I guess I have to encourage you, if you haven't been to the theater for so many years, this will be a good time for you to go out and watch a movie. I know, Marlson. It's all right. I'm just feeling it for you, because Mommy wants to watch the Greenland Part 2. So I'm here for you. Okay. I don't know if we're supposed to be vlogging in here. Wow. I'm just like a kid right now. I'm in awe. Just fascinated with how the theater looks. No, but seriously, like it is kind of funny that I'm just in awe in looking at it and seeing how the theater looks like. We're supposed to be in 7? Oh, that's 7 right there. All right, wish us luck. Oh, finish. The movie is done. It's a great movie. More importantly, it's a good experience. Because, like I said, it's been a long time. Thank you, Mommy, for thank you, Mommy, for treating me, for taking me to the movies. You like your movie? Oh, sorry. I'm trying to put my keys in my pocket. All right. So once again, we're done with the movie, and I think it's just right for us to continue on and proceed on our PTO day. before we head back to work. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. What's up, guys? Taking a break now. I want to say thank you to our M3E, our kids, Mars, Marlson, and Elston. Thank you guys for allowing us to enjoy our last couple of days of, before we head back to work. Thank you for staying home, taking care of Mama. We'll be back tomorrow, but hopefully, like I said, hopefully we'll have the time to at least go out and get something to eat or take you to McDonald's or something. But we'll definitely do something tomorrow. All right. And for all of you, so far it's been a great 2026. So far, starting into the New Year's, as I've said early on in our last videos or the other videos before, we're going to try to get back on the grind, try to be more consistent on putting out more videos for you guys. I don't know if we were going to have any weddings going on this year, but there's going to be a lot of things going on this year. Marlson, hopefully if he graduates, that's going to be one thing. Mars, if he graduates from college, that's going to be another thing. Really make me excited. And everyone else, everyone in our family. Can't say thank you enough for all of you for your support, your continuing support, and we ask that you just continue on. Ask or let your families or friends know about our channel, our YouTube channel. We're not really as much as we want to or exposed on any social media other than just the YouTube, and we're okay with that. Stay tuned, and then we'll just continue on with the vlog. All right, peace out. We're heading out again. The plan that we want to do this morning, now it's actually going to be in action because we've got some people available to go out with us because we don't have a lot of friends. So we're trying to get more people.
Yeah,
No, seriously, because we don't have a lot of friends over here, so we're trying to recruit some friends, and by friends we mean our cousins, my cousins, so that we can go and have dinner. Yeah, we didn't get a chance to celebrate New Year's with Sinsin and Nono, and then the birthday girl Pepe, so we're gonna try to see if they can tag along. All right, we'll see you guys. Kick. I have to do the light because it's Sinsin Pepe. What I check Nono? My light. Wait, Kira, chirap ke kavi shout no. Go ahead.
How is everybody?
We're okay, thank you.
Awesome. Get you all hydrated, so hopefully I can dehydrate you. Are you all interested in a glass of wine or a potion from the bar?
We're non-drinkers, so.
Okay, what do you think to maybe an iced tea or a strawberry lemonade?
Can I get an iced tea, please?
Yeah, you bet. Yeah. 3? Oh my gosh, you guys keeping it so easy.
Yeah.
All right, I'll get that started. Give you a couple of minutes with the menu, okay?
All right, thank you. Hey, manunod ka shout po
I'm so sorry that the sunset sucks for you guys. My God, that is stunning.
Right. Oh yeah, look at the sunset right there. Okay, I'm gonna make it quick because the music is really interrupting me. Look at me there. Yeah, I put it there. We know our campaign cake. Politics. Atau pari rungai ruap kariti. Ti ceki ruap kan. Ito biar ni room na.
I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to enjoy. I'm going to come back, check on you, make sure it's perfect, and then bring you anything that you might need.
All right.
Cheers.
Thank you.
How's the Caesar, girl?
Okay, that's rasinan. Pepes, happy birthday, Pepes.
Thank you.
Mommy rat steak. Yeah, this is mine. Yes, how about it? Show.
Cute.
Thank you. Kita show bawa tahu. Awas saya buat dinner. Sin Pepes. Pasap ka po, mamarap ko para.
Ngay ay kapong ngiri tarkatan. Kiris mo po sabit. Okay, your turn.
Pepes, pasap ka po.
Ay ra. Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Ese mal. Não pode fazer só. Senhor, para kapong ngiri kiri. Kiris sa tapos ngiri. Kebo puro rere fansor powawet. So.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for another great night. Thank you for another great night. Now, thank you, Marlson, for taking mommy and daddy and Auntie Pepes and Auntie Sin for a wonderful meal. Mira, don't worry. Tomorrow we're gonna go buy your pizza. Okay? Mira, I'll see ya. Bye bye. Again, quick update. We just finished our dinner with Auntie Pepes and Auntie Sin. So now we're back at the hotel, and our next visitors will be the M3E coming up right now. So we're just awaiting their arrival. We just wanted to have them come over so they can get their pizza, because Mars is okay, Elston is okay, except Marlson. So it's just a matter of time. They're gonna be showing up. So we'll see. All right, we're gonna wait for the boys to show up. Just waiting for them. Hopefully they don't get lost. I bet you, let's see, I bet you the first person is going to be Marlson. Marlson is probably going to be the first one to show up. I bet you. Oh. Austin.
What's up, man?
I told you. Mars. Hold on, Mars. Did you just get it over? Huh? Look. I just told I told them, let's see, the first person is gonna show up. Guess who? Huh?
Mars?
Yeah. Who?
Mars?
Who did you say?
Mars.
Say it to the camera.
Mars.
Mars? Oh, look at him. Oh boy. He is in the closet right now. He's in the closet.
That's what freedom feels like?
Hi boys. Hi Austin. Hey, did you bring your clothes? I thought you were gonna go swim.
School tomorrow.
Huh? School tomorrow? Okay. Come on. Come say hi to everyone.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the new headquarters for Mrs. and Mr. M3E. We're just here to grab a box of pizza and get on out of here because we have stuff to do at home. But yeah, hope you guys been enjoying the vlogs.
You can sleep over too.
No, I had to be close.
Also, it's fine. We can down the street. I can just...
Yeah, it's fine.
We know you wanted to, also.
But yeah.
What is this?
Oh, you guys eat your pizza.
What is that? I still want to eat that one.
What's this?
Oh, Lily, you got that one?
My gosh. What did I say about you wearing my Uggs?
Hey, that's 10. Marlson! See, you're making it bigger. That's why I wear it now. It's big.
Oh, what's this?
Well, it's not good for you because it's fried rice with it.
This is why I don't like when these guys are.
Not good, or you
They
want
don't
it for
get along,
yourself?
No,
including
I
their
also
mom.
left over. Just we're gonna go home, but then the one with that is Cincinnati person. And then Daddy said you guys were gonna swim, but then it was wrong.
Why did you call Jermaine?
Oh, Jermaine is sick. We called them this morning to go.
You have a fork?
I don't know. What? Just
We called Jermaine.
you guys came from the house. How come you didn't bring fork? Huh? Oh, we have. I think we might have in the car. If you want to go grab it, but
Whose car?
our car.
It's too far.
No.
Huh? Ours?
Yeah, we don't know.
No, the rental.
Oh.
Oh, right there, the spoon or fork. Yeah.
Why you guys bring this? Why are you guys gonna call this?
We just passed.
Guys, you know my plan was I was gonna go camp. But
What?
I was gonna go camp. But I like to just stop wherever and cook food on the side of the road. But you know, mommy, no, I don't want that. I don't want that. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we're gonna hang out for a little bit and then, yes, we miss our boys. Especially that baby right there. Come say hi to everyone. Huh? Oh, get the mic. Dustin.
What's up, guys?
Tell us what you did today.
I just went to school, came home, slept, went to go fill up water. And then he came here.
I'm happy for you also for passing your exam today.
Oh yeah. Yeah, thank Lord for giving me the knowledge of. Yesterday, while my parents were gone, I studied for almost the whole day yesterday. Almost about 17 plus pages of notes. And today, I had a final exam. It was 60 points. I got only one question wrong, but yeah. I got finals for math tomorrow, but we got started on it today, so it'll be an easy day tomorrow. But yeah. All right, Mars. Austin, take this.
He's already relaxed. Huh? Anyway, we still need to finish up the video tomorrow, so we'll put the camera down for tonight, and then yeah, we're gonna try to come finish up this vlog tomorrow when we go onto our dinner reservation with the boys. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm gonna make it quick because once again we have music. So obviously this is the last part of our video, so we're just trying to spend our last day off with our family, our kids. So we're fortunate to come together today to just have a wonderful meal together. So we're gonna enjoy our time. Hope you guys are doing okay. If you have come this far to our video, thank you. Thank you for being patient, and just thank you. I know this is a long video. Thank you guys for just sticking around and just stay all the way till this part. So all right, we're gonna wait for our food, and then we'll talk later. I know you guys already know their names. I'm gonna try to, for those of you who are new, just a quick introduction. That's Marlson. All right, that's Marlson.
Number 2.
He's number 2. Okay, that's Elston.
Number 1.
That's number 3. He's the youngest. And then that's Marson number 1. And then obviously you already know my name. So we are M3E. And again, why do we call ourselves M3E again?
Because of me.
Huh? No, seriously, so they know.
It's here. It's a combination between combination of my name, my dad's name, and Mars, and then the 3 of us, and then the E is for Elston. But yeah, that's why we're the M3E. Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're eating? Oh yeah. Marlon is feeling a little bit sick. What do you have, Mommy?
You got your own.
I'm not going to the late. She came in. Where are you? She's going to say something, but she's
So you taste food?
Yep. Lots of deep food.
Yes.
Yeah, special soup.
Frozen.
Oh, so you want some corn tofu?
And the spring roll kind of sauce.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Almost. Oh, you.
My old shoes are actually.
Mine's just like the last one.
New shoes, you can always
Oh, I knew it.
Everything is done. It's a big disaster here. Yeah, it's like a typhoon. Came to this house, boom, blew everything out.
They sent me up.
Oh, guys, that will end up that.
Yeah.
That's the wrap on the vacation. The 3-day vlog. No, not my vacation, but my parents' vacation. Stay tuned for more mukbangs. I'm just kidding. Stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, the food was good. I'm not feeling well. Like and subscribe.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. That's it.
Thanks for the food.
Just
Hopefully we'll be back sometime next week.
Yeah, insubordinate. What you said? You said same time next week.
Same time next week.
It's your turn, Mars. For our food.
Double it to the next one.
All right, wrap it up.
Yeah, figure out where the
That's actually the last part of ours.
All right. Well, we're all about to head home. After today, it's back to reality. My parents are going back to work. And we gotta go back to school and finish these finals. To all my brothers and sisters that are watching this video, it's maybe past the finals days, but good luck on your guys' finals. To my class, my classmates that are graduating, good luck on this next semester. And just to all the viewers, if you have family members that are graduating this year, good luck to y'all. Keep God first, and what you call it? We can do it. But yeah, we enjoyed the food. Don't forget to check out the merch. It should be somewhere around here. And then you see up there, there's gonna be a link to my dad's music videos. If you guys are ever cleaning the house or just need, a jam, go check out the music. But yeah, like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. You guys be safe. Till next time. Goodbye.